Hi, my name's Molly and I'm a service advisor here at Harness Chevrolet Buick GMC at Puyallup, and we want to give you a little intro video of what our service department looks like down here at Chevrolet Buick GMC at Puyallup. If you're coming in for regular service needs such as an oil change, tire rotation, or quick easy maintenance services, we'll have you go down here into our parking garage with our quick lube department. You can park on the right or left side, whatever has more availability, and their office is on the left-hand side. If you're coming down to the service department for heavier needs such as a diagnosis, bigger maintenance items or recalls, you'll go down this way into our service department, into our service drive, and see any of the available advisors inside. Here at Harness Chevrolet Buick GMC, our lot is secure and monitored at all times, so in the event you need to leave your vehicle here overnight, it is secure and safe here as it's monitored 24/7, and we do have gates that close every night to ensure that your vehicle is safe. We also do have a fleet of rental vehicles here that are available upon request. They are available from smaller vehicles up to larger size vehicles, and we do have some trucks in the event that you do need a vehicle to drive in the interim while your vehicle is here with us in service. See your service advisor for details on what you qualify for. Our hours of operation are Monday through Friday, 7:30 to 6 p.m. in our main shop and 8 to 5 on Saturdays. Our quick lube is open 7:30 to 6 Monday through Friday and 8 to 5 on Saturday. We would love to earn your business and help in any way that we can. If you have any concerns, please feel free to give us a call or see us on the website.